See more, watch less. That's the power of Rapid Recap. This FLIR FX exclusive feature saves you time by allowing you to view hours of video in mere minutes. With time-stamped footage, you can review a whole day's events simultaneously. To get started, tap the camera in the camera list to connect to a live video stream. Hit the Actions button and then hit Rapid Recap. Select the time range you would like the recap to cover, then drag to move, expand, or collapse the recap's time range. When you're done, select Create. You can view the progress of your Rapid Recap by hitting the Actions button. It may take up to 10 minutes to process and you will get a notification when it's done. Once your Rapid Recap is complete, go to your recordings. Select your new Rapid Recap from the list. You can view the whole Rapid Recap here. If you see a specific event you want to zero in on, you can scroll through the individual events that made the Rapid Recap and watch them one at a time. Rapid Recap is a new technology that we made to simplify your video and monitoring needs, so you can spend more time doing the things you love and less time worrying about them. See more, watch less. Go FLIR FX.